Thank you for the opportunity. Introduce. My name is Maria Angelina Fonong. I'm from the 12th grade of 5th grade. Here, I will give some response to the topic 1. Limited face-to-face teaching and learning activities if PPKM is extended until the end of the year 2021. And the second topic is about the Minister of Education allowing students to take part in direct teaching and learning activities before the COVID-19 vaccine. If this PPKM will be extended until the end of 2021, it is possible that face-to-face learning activities at school will be delayed until the end of the year, but limited face-to-face activities must meet several requirements such as vaccination and for all students, as well as infrastructure supporting health protocols that are in accordance with the target. Then the possibility of limited face-to-face meeting will be carried out, but this issue is still being considered by the Minister of Education because he said face-to-face learning will be limited in each area because most likely in each area there are still zones where the increase in COVID-19 patients is still rampant. The does not meet the criteria, namely the absence of vaccination. In the addition, in the SKB, for the minister also suggested that school must also prepare a school-level COVID-19 task force. Schools must sit together, socialize the prepare of limited PTM to parents, cooperate with the school committee so that parents also have a good understanding of the importance of this limited PTM. Next is the second topic. So, my response to the second topic is that I do not agree if students are allowed to participate in direct teaching and learning activities or face-to-face school event talk. Students have not received the COVID-19 vaccine. If this happens, it is possible that most parents will not allow their children to take part in teaching and learning activities directly or face-to-face before the COVID-19 vaccine, because as parents, of course, they will worry about their children. So before doing face-to-face activities, all students are recommended to the COVID-19 vaccine first. Because through vaccine, the body will be protected by forming an antibody response with getting sick first. That is, the COVID-19 vaccine is able to protect a person's body from infection with the coronavirus. Vaccination or immunization aim to make a person's immune system able to recognize and quickly fight bacteria or virus that cause infection. That's my response, and thank you.